The kitchen is definitely an important place in any living space. A special glamour and individuality is added by its furniture, especially if it's a Poliform kitchen.
The Italian factory Poliform is well known to international designers for its impeccable quality and incredible design. Every year, hundreds of designers strive to visit the Poliform stand to keep up with the latest trends and to be inspired by new and unique ideas. The theme of iSaloni 2024 was all about kitchens. That is why Poliform presented two kitchen zones, Alea Pro and Artex Pro. The special presentation of these zones was organized for us by Yulia Ignatova, owner of Felicita Design Agency, exclusive representative of Poliform brand in Ukraine, Moldova, Caucasus and Central Asia.
Both kitchens which were presented this year at the Poliform stand are bestsellers. They are very popular worldwide and loved by designers. Very beautiful, functional, and there is a variety of different finishes and combinations.
The modular system allows you to create basically any design, and the fill-in variability can satisfy the demand for any functionality.
Poliform gives you the opportunity to create a kitchen in different styles. You can make a professional metal kitchen like a chef in a restaurant, or make a kitchen as part of the chic interior. Wood finishes, metal, silk, melamine, according to different budgets and tasks, we will find your kitchen.
As always, Poliform demonstrates an innovative approach to design. The factory interprets the Artex model in a new way, with a more modern and attractive aesthetic. Artex Pro is a kitchen with clean lines, where the recess in the worktop deepens, giving the impression that the work surface is floating in the air.
This year we added functional aspects to our kitchen that can be used in all kitchen models, such as 22 cm vault countertop and 72 mm height countertop that can be used in any kitchen model. Also, our deep shaker family has been updated with horizontal drawers that slide out and complement our standard deep shaker. And there is also a wall unit beautiful glass cabinets with lighting for your dishes. Now they are just amazing. Light comes from a completely new side, so you can illuminate your dishes.
Artex Pro is designed as a system that combines the cooking and dining areas and is complemented by a cabinet system with the same name that matches the dimensions of the kitchen.
In this area we see the island, which is 360 degrees fully functional. We see the area where to eat, the area where to cook, the sink area and the area for cutting. Also the height bowl countertop, we see a beautiful chamfer that comes to us historically from the first stone sinks. We designed it in a modern way and realized in our kitchens. Poliform is very attentive to details. We can see it even the connection of the countertops cut out to the sides and the front. We see here beautiful and practical cutout. It is convenient to open the door, as the depth of the worktop allows us to grab the door. We also can see here the new curvy bar stool, which can be bar and semi-bar size.
The factory fires the imagination of designers by offering several finishes, which are represented in lacquered surfaces, 9 types of wood and steel. All the finishes and configurations can be found in a unique place, where almost all of the factory's products are gathered, the Poliform Lab.
We are now in the area of the Artex Pro model. The kitchen is the same as it was presented at the iSaloni exhibition, but we see it in a completely different way. Of course, at the exhibition we saw it in chic metal bronze and solid wood finish. Here we see matte paint on the bases and metallic paint on the cabinets.
The kitchen has become part of the living area for a long time, especially if it's a Poliform kitchen.
Our Poliform kitchens are so beautiful that we don't hide them. They can be combined with the living spaces, with soft furnishing areas, with the dining room. There are elements that connect these spaces. For example, low bases with open elements where you can put decor and it will complement your living room. We can close completely the walk-in area to hide the sink and appliance in the cabinets to have a clean look. To complement the open beautiful shelves with decor, there are shakers coming out on the island, a hood that hides completely in the island. We can close our kitchen to make it look perfectly clean, beautifully and aesthetically pleasing from the living spaces.
Each Poliform kitchen model can be designed in a different style. In fact, the designer shapes the space himself, using the necessary modules and finishes. Of course, the factory facilitates the work of designers by offering unifying elements.
In this model, we see a table of standard height attached to the base of the kitchen. Also, we have surface table, snack, half bar and bar height. All depends on the designer's choice and the client's lifestyle.
Of course, behind any beautiful design there is always functionality. Poliform kitchens can satisfy the needs of even the most demanding designers and customers.
The feeling is very important in kitchen. What is hidden behind a beautiful facade? You have chosen your favorite color, you like it aesthetically, but when you open it, you realize that it is your assistant there, the feeling that helps you to make masterpieces every day.
In addition, the factory offers unique technological solutions that not only fit perfectly into the interior, but also guarantee perfect functionality and convenience.
An important thing in kitchen is the hood. We have an island hood, the one that is mounted on the wall or built into the wall unit, and the one that is built in the shaker and comes out of the base.
Poliform kitchens are created by designers and engineers of the factory in accordance with the latest world trends. This is why the brand remains among the leaders in different countries.
It is quite interesting that Poliform is sold all over the world and the request from each country is absolutely different. There are some tendencies, some like wood, some like paint, some are in love with the metal, and we can provide this variety to the whole world. Poliform kitchens are designed to make your life brighter and more ergonomic.